Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to start a new series of Dr. Vithalka's Remedy Notes. Now this series and the basic purpose of starting this series is that we get to know an extensive range of materia medica from different authors around the world, and as Dr. Vithalkas is one of the best homeopaths present currently, so we'll try to see his aspect as well and try to see some remedies from his point of view as well. So the basic purpose and the sole purpose of doing this series is that so that we get to know some remedies from the point of view of other masters, and it will help us to increase our materia medica knowledge. Alright, so this is just for educational purposes and we'll begin with it. Acetic acid will be a first remedy from Dr. Vithalka's point of view and his experience. Acetic acid. The main keynotes of this acetic acid remedy are pale, thirsty, anemic, emaciated, and wasted. So the patient is generally presented with the following complaints: that he is pale, he is always thirsty, anemic, emaciated, and wasted. Now we try to see some of the mental sphere of the patients of acetic acid. Sour people, especially when the stomach is chronically affected. So what do we mean by sour people? So we'll look at it. The definition of sour is something with an acidic taste or someone who is resentful or angry. A person with a grumpy and rude personality who is angry all the time is an example of someone who would be described as having a sour personality. Delirium with distension and constipation. Anxiety about business, about his children. Delirium during fever. So what is delirium? Let us see. Delirium is an acutely disturbed state of mind characterized by restlessness, illusions, and incoherence occurring in intoxication, fever, and other disorders. Irritable during headache, confusion of mind, and there is dullness. Physical, profound anemia, pale face, diminished appetite leading to emaciation and cachexia, emaciation especially of face, hands, and thighs. So this is very important. The patient will physically present with these complaints. And what is cachexia? We'll try to cover it and see here. Cachexia is a general state of ill health involving marked weight loss and muscle loss. Gastritis with sour eructations, sour vomiting. Ulcerative pains in stomach, induration of stomach walls. Impossible to sleep on back. The stomach problems, the acidity are aggravated when lying on the back. Unquenchable thirst for large quantities in chronic conditions, but thirstlessness in acute fever. Fever, dry heat, red discoloration of face, left side aggravation with profuse perspiration at night and thirstlessness. Copious urination, excessive wasting, which is emaciation, and debility, which is from weakness. Now we see some of the modalities. Aggravating modality is by lying on back and vegetables, aversion, cold drinks, and cold food. So this was acetic acid from Dr. Vithalka's point of view, and I hope this helps you all increase your knowledge of materia medica and expand your materia medica. So with that said, thank you all, and if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more and more such videos and series for you all. All the best. Till that time, till then, thank you.